In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Google Sheets. We're going to build a simple, reliable countdown that shows how much time is left until a specific date and time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. At the top right, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets to jump into Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet where you want the countdown to appear. If you already have a deadline listed somewhere in your sheet, great. Make sure it's entered as a proper date and time so Sheets recognizes it. For example, something like 12/31/2026, 5 o'clock p.m. works well in most locales. If you only use a date, the countdown will assume midnight for the time. Click the cell where you want the countdown to display. Type an equals sign to begin a formula. Next, click the cell that contains your target date. You'll see that cell reference appear in the formula bar. Now type a minus sign, followed by now. Then open and close parentheses so it reads now. When you press enter, Sheets calculates your target date minus the current date and time. By default, the result appears as a number representing days, including decimals. For example, 2.5 means 2.5 days remaining. That's accurate, but not very friendly to read. To make it clearer, you can format the result as a duration, so it shows days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Use the Format menu to pick a duration or a custom date-time format that suits your needs. Once formatted, your countdown will be much easier to scan at a glance. A few tips to keep everything working smoothly. The Now function updates when your sheet recalculates, such as when you open the file or edit something. If you need more frequent updates, you can adjust calculation settings, but be mindful that very frequent recalculation can impact performance. If your countdown shows a negative value, that simply means the deadline has passed. Keeping it negative can be useful to show how long something is overdue. That's all there is to it. Open Sheets, pick your display cell, start with an equal sign, point to your deadline, subtract now, close the parentheses, and press enter. With one quick formula, you've created a live countdown timer that stays up to date and easy to read.